estudiantes. Hoy es martes, el 29 de septiembre de 2020. Today is Tuesday, and as I mentioned last week, we will not have a live Zoom meeting, but rather I am recording today's lesson, and we will check in on all of this tomorrow, Wednesday. So today, your objective, puedo expresar mi nacionalidad. In other words, I can express my nationality. By the end of the class today, you want to be able to say in Spanish out loud to yourself, I am, and then tell me your nationality. So to help you do that, the first thing you need to learn today is about the verb ser. Ser is a verb which means to be in Spanish. There is another, and we'll talk about that at another time, but we're going to focus on ser for the next couple of days. So what you're going to do today is you're going to watch this short YouTube video with these two little jelly bean characters, and they're going to explain to you the conjugations of the verb ser. Okay, so in other words, you want to be able to say in Spanish, I am. And the way you say I am is yo soy. So I started to fill in this chart for you. Okay, you have the I am form, yo soy, and I also gave you the way to express they are, which is ellos son, ellas son, or ustedes son. We'll talk about pronouns also as we continue to learn this verb. But for today, I want you to watch this video and listen to these two little creatures talk about the verb ser. You're going to fill in the chart, and you're also going to complete on this notebook page the 3 examples that they give you in the video. So you're going to fill those in with the proper form of the verb ser. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go on to the next page, and I'd like you to use a Spanish dictionary to look up the nationalities of all of these Spanish-speaking countries, and I gave you a few, okay? So if you are from Spain, in English, we call you a Spaniard. In Spanish, you are español, just like the language, right? Now, if you want to express to somebody where you are from and you identify as if you're from the United States, you're going to say, yo soy estadounidense. Try saying that with me. Ready? Yo soy estadounidense. So that is basically the words state united mushed together into one word. And that is where you are from, at least if you were born here in the US. Typically in English we say we are American, but in the Spanish-speaking world we don't say that because everybody on this list all the way up to Spaniard, we stop there, all of these people, they are American too, because Mexicans are from North America, right, just like Americans. Colombians are South American. People from Honduras, Hondurans are Central American. So we are all American. So you need to be more specific. So you would say estadounidense, okay? And then the last thing I want you to do down here where it says you, I want you to ask yourself, how do you identify? So do you identify as Asian American, African American, Russian American, German American? However you want to express yourself, I want you to go ahead and find how to say that, and I want you to add that there, okay? And you have some choices. You can use, for example, word reference or Spanish dict. I know a lot of the other teachers use that. Whatever works for you is what I want you to use to complete today's assignment, okay? So these pages will be up, and I'm going to label them this time as material, okay? So there won't be an assignment that you have to hand in. The only thing you need to do is copy these pages to your digital notebook and complete the activity. We'll check in on all of this on Wednesday, and we'll also talk a bit about personality. See you then. Hasta la vista.